Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's doing a trade recap or talking to you with hindsight in their favor, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, raw, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll get value from this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at the open. Watching 293 here, and I'm going to go ahead and get in at 293.10 on LULU. Looking for this thing to come down through that area. May look to add to it if it does come back down. So we'll see what it wants to do. $294 area to potentially add. So let's see if it wants to come down there. But yeah, right now just doing a little consolidating sideways movement here. Thought it would be a bit more active. So we'll see if it wants to come down. Again, watching 294 as a potential add point. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. This one is, like I said, not, I thought it'd be a little bit more. Okay, now it's starting to maybe come down. So again, watching, maybe I go with two, well. Yeah, it's coming down. So going to add another there. So let's see if we can now officially get the break of 293. And we did. So took off 50 there. Still have 50 shares left. Took off another 50 there. Let's see if we can get the break of 290. Again, looking for a break of 290. I'm glad I added those 50 shares. And I'll be even gladder if we can get the break of 290. Ooh, a lot of buyers right there. Going to go ahead and take off 25 just in case it does bounce from that area. So still have 25 shares left. Let's see if I can get out there at 289.50. Fantastic. So $396 on that trade, and it is 9:33. So 3 minutes with commissions. Let's just call it $390. 3 minutes. Let's just call it 4 minutes to play it easy. But 4 minutes, $390. Not many places in the world where you can do that. And I don't say that to brag. I say it to build perspective, because if you're anything like me, even now, not as much as used to, but if you're anything like me, it's easy to look at social media and be like, wow, that person made way more than $390. And then it's to look at your results and be like, geez, I only made $390. But again, think about it. Yeah, $390 in 4 minutes. In other words, would you ever go up to somebody that's making, and let's just call it $50 an hour. You know, let's go crazy. Let's call it $100 an hour. Would you ever go up to somebody that's making $100 per hour and say, you know, I made $390 in 4 minutes, not very happy about it? That person would think you're the greediest person ever, and they would be right. So again, I don't say any of this to brag. I say it just to show you how you can build perspective. Even if I made, let's say I made, instead of $390, let's say I made $39. Would you go up to somebody making minimum wage and say, I made $39 in 4 minutes, I'm not very happy about it? No, you would never do that, because you realize that makes you seem detached and totally greedy. So keep perspective. I get it. Yeah, there are people out there on social media that make way more than that amount. And for them, good. I'm happy for them. Fantastic. But again, don't let that don't let that make you lose sight of perspective and how crazy things actually are. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. Clay, why are you done after 5 minutes? Because this is a side hustle for me. I have many streams of income, and I do this not because I need the private jet. I do it as a father of 5 kids for the freedom of time. My most valuable commodity is time, and I want to be able to do with my time what I see fit. And if I can put $390 in my pocket after 4 minutes, then I'm going to go ahead and do that and be happy with it. But like I said, if you want the Lamborghini and all that other sort of stuff, cool. I hope you get that. But like I said, we all have our different goals. And for me, I'm going to take that money and call it good. But if there are any questions or anything like that, leave those down in the comment section below. But again, have perspective, keep perspective. And in my mind, that's going to make you be much more grateful for your results as you get them. Because like I said, even $39 in 4 minutes, that'd be pretty crazy. And that'd be nothing to blink at, especially, like I said, if you're to go up to somebody that makes a minimum wage. So thanks for hanging out. If you enjoy these videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below. Everybody take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.